How to book GrabFood for someone else. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book GrabFood for someone else. First, open the Grab application on your mobile device. Now, tap on Food. Then select a restaurant from which you want to order food. Choose a food item from the menu. Select the item and tap on Add to Basket. Now, tap on Basket. Tap on Location. Enter the location of the person you want to send the food to. After that, tap on Confirm Delivery Location. Once the location is set, tap on Place Order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.